Welcome to Excel 2016 Module 11, Part 10. In this segment, we'll be creating another PowerView sheet. This one will have multiple pie charts on the same PowerView sheet. You must have created the data model, which was covered in Part 5, and you must have added the PowerView button to your Insert tab of your ribbon in Part 8. So we are going to go back to our Insert tab and create another PowerView. So we're going to use the PowerView button, and we're going to put a title on this one, Product Analysis 2. We're going to be selecting fields again to include in our pane. So we're going to start out by choosing the category field from the product, and then the item quantity from the item purchased query. We're going to switch visualizations again, and this time we're going to use the other chart option and choose pie. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to point to our subcategory field and choose the drop down that is next to it, and we're going to say add as a color. Then next to the description, we'll also choose the drop down arrow and choose add as a color. And then we're going to go down to our store table, and next to the store city, we're going to choose add vertical multiples. Now you see that we have multiple pie charts for each of our stores. So we're going to drag the size out so that it covers our entire sheet. And then we are going to go to the Layout tab, and we're going to change the legend so that it shows at the bottom. So if I were to then add another chart for the years, I'm going to click on a blank area, and I'm going to come up and choose customer orders, and I'm going to choose the order date year, and I'm going to choose the item quantity from those purchased. The next thing I want to do is I want to move this. So click on a side border so you get the hand and drag it down to the blank space at the bottom. And then we're going to switch visualizations to a column chart. We're going to make it a stacked column. You should see one column for each year. Now if you wanted to drill down into the detail, if you click on drums, notice you only get the sales for drums. But if you double click, now you see all of the different types of drums. If you double click on bongos, you see the different types of bongos. If you pick a year, then you get to see just that year and not the other one. Then you can drill up and look at it in different ways. Now we're going to save our workbook, and that concludes working with the PowerView.